Second half of Black Forest. Oh, wow. So that's the A-line. Dude, no way people ride this. Yo! Oh, I'm doing this. I'm doing it from here. It's just a roll. It's steep as fuck, though. Yeah, go ahead. Like, I'm just gonna let off the brakes from here.
100% because yesterday was like the state of steepness.
Ready? Woo! Yeah, dude. It's harder to stop after. Yeah, than to do the actual feature. Oh, oh. Yeah, you might, yeah. This is a pad burner for sure. Woo! Watch that root. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just go slow. Oh shit. Oh man, we're good. That is not a roll.